Hello everyone. So guys, in this part of the video, we are going to do the interrogative sentences of simple present tense. As in the previous videos, we have done the affirmative and the negative sentences of simple present tense. So let's begin with the lesson. To tell you first, what are the interrogative sentences? So guys, an interrogative sentences are those which tell a direct question and is punctuated at the end with a question mark. So let's start. How will we identify a sentence in Hindi? Hindi में guys, as we have already done many times, ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ता, ती, ते की पहचान होती है लास्ट में, whether the sentence is interrogative or negative or affirmative, because these are the simple present tense. सो पहचान सेम होगी, बी इट वो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, फाइन, या पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है या नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, तो पहचान सेम होगी, ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ता, ते, ती, फाइन. These are the interrogative sentences. So interrogative sentence always starts with क्या. For example, क्या वह उसे जानते हैं. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस ऑलवेज क्या से स्टार्ट होते हैं, जिसका आंसर हमेशा येस नो से होता है. क्या वह उसे जानते हैं, जानते हैं लास्ट में ते है और स्टार्टिंग में क्या है, इट मीन्स ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. यू विल मेक दिस सेंटेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. फाइन. क्या हम ये काम करते हैं, क्या वो चाय पीते हैं, क्या बच्चे फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. फाइन. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द रूल्स ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. हाउ विल वी मेक द sentences, interrogative sentences. So guys, in the starting of the sentence you will use the helping verb do or does, then subject not if the sentence is interrogative plus negative, then we will use not after the subject, then first form of verb, then object. We will just change do and does according to the subject. Fine. As we have already done, do is used with plural subjects, I, we, you, they, children, people, more than one. With plural subject we will use do, and does is used with singular subjects, he, she, it, any, name. Okay, let's have some examples. Do they play? क्या वो खेलते हैं. So subject is they here, so we have used do in the starting of the sentence. As rules are given here, you can see. So subject was they, so we have used do in the starting of the sentence. If the subject is she, he, it, any, name, so we'll use does in the starting of the sentence. Do they play? Do you dance? Do we go there? Do your parents go there? Do your parents help me? Do children dance? Children plural subject है. So according to the subject we will use do and does in the starting of the sentence. So what about the singular subjects? For example, as I have told you earlier, does is used with he, she, it, any, name with singular subject. For example, does he play? Does it move? Does she teach me English? Does your mother cook food? Does your mother is subject here. Subject is one who is doing something in a sentence. Fine. And then first form of verb. If the sentence is interrogative plus negative, here I am giving you some more examples related to this. If the sentence is interrogative plus negative, for example, क्या वो फुटबॉल नहीं खेलते हैं? You are asking someone, क्या वो फुटबॉल नहीं खेलते हैं? What is the subject here? They. So we'll use do in the starting of the sentence. Do they? You can see here With subject I have used not. Do they not play football? Do they not? You can see here subject is they and do is helping verb. We have used in the starting of the sentence. Do they not play football? Play is first form of verb and object is football, anything. Got my point? Okay. Now, these are some example sentences for you. Do you all usually wake up at 8 o'clock? क्या आप अक्सर 8 बजे उठते हो? So you is a subject here. Do we have used because the subject is you. We have used in the starting of the sentence. क्या आप अक्सर 8 बजे उठते हो? Does he go to the gym twice a week? क्या वो जिम हफ्ते में 2 बार जाता है? Does he go? Because he is a subject here. वो जिसने जाना है, जिसने कोई काम करना है. Subject is the one who is doing something, as I have told you. He is a subject here. So we have used does in the starting of the sentence. Does he go to the gym twice a week? Do we go to the cinema too much? We is a subject here. So we have used do. Does the train leave at 7 o'clock? Train, single train, subject singular है. Fine. So we have used does with the train subject. Does she work in a police station? Does she work? Do teachers perform an important role in society? Teachers perform an important role in society. So here teachers, if the subject is teacher, so you will use does then. Here subject is teachers, so the subject is plural, so we have used do with plural subject. Perform an important role in society. Perform is first form of verb. Now there is some part for you, exercise for practice. So guys, rewrite these sentences into interrogative ones. You have to make these sentences interrogative. These are some sentences. You have to make them interrogative. These all sentences are in simple present tense. They often play basketball. My mother works in a bank. So write down the things on your notebook. Often, always, usually, seldom. You can see here Rohan seldom watches English movies. These are the keywords of simple present tense. Fine. They often play basketball. My mother works in a bank. So you can see here these are the affirmative sentences of simple present tense. My mother is a singular subject. So S is used with first form of verb in affirmative sentences. Now you have to make them in interrogative sentences. We enter the room. Rohan seldom watches English movies. They take tea daily. Your mother and father usually help me. So you have to make these sentences into interrogative ones. Now these are some sentences for translation in Hindi to English. क्या गांव में ठंडी हवा चलती है? क्या तुम रोज़ाना दिल्ली जाते हो? क्या मुकेश मधुर गीत गाता है? सो लास्ट में आप देख सकते हैं सभी सेंटेंसेस के पीछे ता है ती है का यूज़ हुआ है और स्टार्टिंग में क्या, तो ये इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस है. सो आई ऑल्सो सजेस्ट यू टू मेक सेंटेंसेस इन हिंदी ऑन योर ओन and try to make them in English according to the rules as I have taught you. Fine. This is all for today. Thank you.